Welcome to my roundup of the top 5 best slow cookers under $50 in 2026. The budget-friendly kitchen appliances that make cooking hearty meals simple and stress-free. Whether you're preparing soups, stews, casseroles, or even desserts, these slow cookers combine affordability, convenience, and reliability. Today's models feature programmable timers, removable stoneware, compact designs, and energy-efficient systems, giving you the confidence to cook delicious meals without spending a fortune. In this guide, I'll walk you through the top options available this year and help you choose the perfect one. Check the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get cooking. Starting off with the Bella 6.0 QT Programmable Slow Cooker. The Bella 6.0 QT Programmable Slow Cooker is a fantastic option for families who want a large capacity at an affordable price. I love how it offers programmable settings, allowing me to set cooking times and temperatures with ease. The 6-quart size is perfect for preparing meals for gatherings, potlucks, or weekly meal prep. Its removable stoneware pot makes serving and cleaning simple, while the digital controls add convenience. The Keep Warm function ensures food stays hot until I'm ready to serve. What makes Bella stand out is its combination of size and programmability. It feels like a premium cooker, but comes in under $50. For anyone who wants versatility and reliability without overspending, the Bella 6.0 QT is a smart choice. Next up is the KOC 2-quart Small Slow Cooker. The KOC 2-quart Small Slow Cooker is designed for individuals or couples who want compact convenience. I appreciate its small size, which makes it perfect for apartments, dorms, or small kitchens. Despite its compact design, it delivers consistent cooking performance, making soups, dips, and small meals easy to prepare. It includes disposable liners, which simplify cleanup and keep the pot spotless. The straightforward controls make operation simple, while the lightweight build ensures portability. What makes KOC unique is its focus on practicality. It's not about size, but about efficiency and ease of use. For anyone who wants a budget-friendly slow cooker for small portions, the KOC 2-quart is an excellent option. Moving on, the Hamilton Beach 6-quart Slow Cooker. The Hamilton Beach 6-quart Slow Cooker is a reliable choice for families and gatherings. I love how it features a clip-tight sealed lid, which makes it perfect for transporting meals to parties or potlucks. The 6-quart capacity ensures I can cook large portions, while the simple dial controls make operation easy. Its removable stoneware pot is dishwasher safe, adding convenience to cleanup. The Keep Warm function ensures food stays ready to serve, and the durable build makes it a long-lasting appliance. Hamilton Beach is known for dependable kitchen products, and this slow cooker continues that tradition. For anyone who wants a large, reliable cooker under $50, this model is a great choice. Stepping into premium performance is the Crock-Pot 7-quart Manual Slow Cooker. The Crock-Pot 7-quart Manual Slow Cooker is designed for users who want maximum capacity at a budget price. I appreciate its simple manual controls, which make it easy to set cooking times and temperatures. The 7-quart size is perfect for big families, parties, or meal prepping for the week. Its removable stoneware pot and glass lid are dishwasher safe, ensuring easy cleanup. The Keep Warm function adds convenience, while the durable build ensures long-term reliability. What makes Crock-Pot stand out is its legacy. It's the brand that popularized slow cooking, and this model continues that tradition with affordability and performance. For anyone who wants a large, dependable slow cooker without spending more than $50, the Crock-Pot 7-quart is a top pick. Finally, the Elite Gourmet MST250XS Electric Slow Cooker. The Elite Gourmet MST250XS Electric Slow Cooker earns its place as one of the most compact and affordable options in 2026. Designed with a 1.5-quart capacity, it's perfect for dips, sauces, and small meals. I love how lightweight and portable it is, making it ideal for small kitchens or travel. Its simple controls make operation easy, while the removable stoneware pot ensures convenient serving and cleaning. Despite its small size, it delivers consistent cooking performance, making it a reliable choice for everyday use. What makes Elite Gourmet stand out is its affordability. It's one of the most budget-friendly slow cookers available, yet it still delivers dependable results. For anyone who wants a compact, inexpensive cooker, this model is a smart choice. All of these slow cookers bring something valuable to the table, depending on your cooking style and household size. The Bella 6.0 QT is perfect for families who want programmable convenience. The KOC 2-quart offers compact efficiency for small portions. The Hamilton Beach 6-quart emphasizes reliability and portability. The Crockpot 7-quart delivers premium capacity at a budget price. And the Elite Gourmet MST 250XS stands out as the most affordable option for everyday use. When choosing a slow cooker, it's important to consider capacity, programmability, portability, and ease of cleaning. Larger models are ideal for families and gatherings, while smaller ones suit individuals or couples. Programmable settings add convenience, while removable stoneware ensures easy serving and cleaning. Affordability doesn't mean sacrificing quality. These models prove you can get reliable performance under $50. That wraps up my top 5 best slow cookers under $50 in 2026. Whether you're meal prepping, cooking for family, or just want a simple way to prepare hearty dishes, there's a perfect slow cooker here for you. These appliances represent the best balance of affordability, convenience, and reliability, helping you prepare delicious meals with confidence. So, if you're ready to upgrade your kitchen, check the description below for the latest deals and grab the slow cooker that fits your lifestyle. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more kitchen gadget reviews and buying guides. With the right slow cooker, you'll be able to cook smarter, save time, and enjoy the satisfaction of perfectly prepared meals. Imagine walking into your kitchen after a long day and being greeted by the aroma of a warm, home-cooked dinner, all thanks to a budget-friendly slow cooker. Power up your kitchen, simplify your cooking, and make every meal a success story.